Hey friends, if you wish to install Comodo Internet Security application on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So simply search for it in the search bar. Okay, this is a security application. You can go to Comodo's website. Okay, wait for it to load. This has a free activation option here. So you can download the free tool, or you can go here and check for the free tool and then click on this. It will start downloading the tool and you can click on open to open its installer. We will wait for the installer to open. Okay, it is extracting. Okay, so this is how you can install this application on your system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.